everyone, welcome back to our channel. Compliments of the season to you all, and I wish that everyone's life will be full of surprises and joy in the new year that's about to begin. So watch our videos, give thumbs up, share, and do not forget to subscribe. So today's video is of MES and our topic is public services for community life. In previous video we learned about our community life. Now in this video we will learn what and which are the public services are available for community life. I'm going to explain you in brief some points which are important to remember, and those points I will try to explain you in easy way. So the first point is public facilities and amenities. Public services like transport, schools and hospitals are those which are available to all and meant for everybody. As I told you in previous video that you cannot have your own school or your own hospital. There are some facilities which are given by a government for our benefit and which are open or meant for everybody, and we have to do use of those facilities. We must use public services responsibly. For example, आजकल हम मोस्टली हमारे प्राइवेट व्हीकल्स को यूज़ करते हैं यहाँ वहाँ जाने के लिए, बट वी शुड ट्राई टू यूज़ पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट टू ट्रैवल. इससे सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट और प्लस पॉइंट इसका ये है कि एटलीस्ट हम जो पोल्यूशन है उसको डिक्रीज़ कर सकते हैं, उसको कम करने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल यू ऑल. ट्राई टू use public facilities which are meant for us by government. Second point, local government and local services. The administration of a city or a village is known as local government. जो हमारे लिए ये सारी सर्विसेज को स्टार्ट करते हैं, बनाते हैं, ऐसे कुछ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशंस होते हैं जो ग्रुप्स ऑफ पीपल वर्किंग फॉर अस, उन्हें हम लोकल गवर्नमेंट के नाम से जानते हैं. सो देयर इज़ अ ग्राम पंचायत फॉर विलेज. अगर आप गांव जाते हो तो वहाँ पे ये जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन या लोकल गवर्नमेंट है इसको ग्राम पंचायत के नाम से जाना जाता है. अ म्युनिसिपल काउंसिल फॉर टाउन and a municipal corporation for a big city. A number of public services are provided by the local government. Public services are provided to us out of money collected from us as a taxes. Whenever you are traveling, you must have seen at certain point on your way you have to pay some amount which is known as tax. Not only when you are traveling but in other way also we pay tax to the local government, and with those money only we get all these services. And that is why I must tell you all, these services we get by our own money and we need to use them wisely. Last point is other public services. Other important service is bank. People can deposit and withdraw money from a bank. Banks also offer loans to needy people. You must have visit bank with your parents, and then you have seen we keep our money in the bank, we deposit, we keep our savings in the bank. We also withdraw our money anytime from ATM machines. Now when we need a big amount of money for some personal work, so in that time we can take loans from bank. Postal services help us to keep in touch with our friends and relatives. Nowadays we don't send letters to our friends or families, those are far away from us. We message them or we call them, video call and many other ways. But in earlier period there were postal service, लेटर्स को भेजना एक दूसरे के लिए और कांटेक्ट करना. सो ये सारी सर्विसेज भी होती थी जो अभी के ज़माने में या अभी ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल नहीं होती है. इंस्टीट्यूशंस फॉर्म्ड बाय पीपल आर कॉल्ड कोऑपरेटिव्स. प्राइवेट बैंक्स, प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल, स्कूल्स. सो ये जो इंस्टीट्यूशंस होते हैं जो लोग उनकी तरफ से फॉर्म करते हैं उनको कोऑपरेटिव्स कहा जाता है. So we have to use all these kind of facilities and amenities which are available and meant for us by government or by some cooperatives people. We should use them wisely and responsibly. Kindly check your description box for your assignment. Thank you. Stay blessed. Stay safe.